Hello everybody, so today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to write CSV files in C. So sorry I just burped then. If you watched my last video, you'll see that I could create this tiny database for us to read using this file of C code. So what we're going to do now is we're going to write to a copy of it in data2.csv. So we'll do write.c and we'll create that, a write.c file. And then we'll hashtag include std lib.h. And then we need to include stdio.h. And I'm going to include, for good measure, std brew.h. Now create an int main. We're going to create a void. And then we're going to create a file pointer variable called CSV. Then we're going to do CSV equals fopen, which opens the file open. And it's going to be data2.csv, and it's going to be W for write mode instead of R for reading mode. So now what we're going to do now is we're just going to have Susan, and it's going to overwrite all this, and it's just going to be Susan 15 2,000 quid or so. So I'm going to create a string variable called char pointer. So because we don't have a strings in C, we don't have a string type, we're going to do char pointer, and it's going to be called name, and I'm going to call it Suzanne. Then we're going to do int age, which is going to be equal to, as I said, 15. And it's going to be int money, which is going to be equal to about 2,153 quid. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use print f function, and the first thing is, well, where do we want to go? And it's going to be a CSV file, so it's what file, and then this is format, so it's going to be a %s for string for name, comma, %d for integer for age, and then %d for int for money. And then we're going to put the variables, and they have to be in order. So it's going to be name, age, and then money. And then all you need to do is print f written to, so and it's going to be f close CSV, and we're going to return 0. There we go. So I'm now going to compile it, gc tac o, and then we're going to do write. It's going to be W for write.c. Enter. Don't need to link anything, and then we'll execute it. And there we go, it's written to. So let's have a look. And look, it's overwritten it and said Susan 15 2153. But now, what if we wanted to append data to it? Well, what we could do is first we add /n to this, and we also change it to a plus, which stands for append plus. And now all we're going to do is we're going to do Peter 16 and about 3,153. We'll compile it again, and then we'll do write, and there it is, written to, and it's appended it. But the problem is we didn't put a /n beforehand. So all I'm going to do is we're just going to do W, Control S, and then I'm going to close it again. So I'm just going to overwrite it to give it a little sec. We should see it gets overwritten pretty soon. And there we go, it's got overwritten. And then if we do A plus, we're going to do John, and he's going to be 20, about 13,000. Now if we have a look, if we compile that, boom, it's been written to. So I hope you learned a bit from this, and hope you share this on. So have a nice day, and I'll see you later.